Welcome to my channel, everyone! Today we will be making kimchi cauliflower fried rice, a twist to the popular Korean dish Kimchi Bokkeumbbap. Cauliflower rice is something that has been really popular among the weight loss community because of its low caloric value and its close resemblance to rice. In fact, this entire recipe only contains 390 calories and is definitely enough to fill up someone with a big appetite. And you'll for sure not be disappointed because I promise it actually tastes like fried rice. Alright, I think I've hyped it up enough, so let's head on with the recipe. You will need 3 cups of cauliflower rice. I bought mine pre-made from the store to keep things a little easier. 100 grams of kimchi, 1 large egg, 1 tablespoon of gochujang or Korean red chili paste, 1 teaspoon of soy sauce, 3 cloves of garlic, 1 green onion, and lastly 1 tablespoon plus 1 teaspoon of vegetable oil. Let's start by chopping up the ingredients. Cut the green onion into thin rings. You can definitely decrease the amount of green onions you use if you're not a fan of onions. Next up, let's mince the garlic. Again, feel free to decrease the amount if you're not a fan of garlic either. Finally, cut the kimchi into smaller pieces. This will help with the stir-frying process, but also help to release more flavor. And now we're ready to cook. Turn your stove to high heat and let's add in 1 tablespoon of cooking oil. Once the pan is heated, add in the garlic, half of the green onions, and all of the kimchi. Stir fry for 30 seconds to release the aroma, but make sure to not overdo it because the garlic and onion burn very easily. Time to add in the cauliflower. Stir fry until everything is evenly mixed. Now add in the soy sauce and the red chili paste. Again, let's stir together everything until it is evenly mixed. Your kitchen should be smelling heavenly right now. Finally, add in the remaining green onions and stir fry for another 30 seconds. Scoop your rice into a bowl and feel free to try a spoon or two. Now let's make our sunny side up egg. Set your stove to low heat and add in the remaining 1 teaspoon of vegetable oil. Crack in your egg and watch it sizzle. The egg is done when the egg white has mostly solidified but the yolk is still runny. Place the egg on top of the rice and your bokkeumbbap is done. Feel free to sprinkle with some white sesame and some nori flakes. Don't know about you guys, but I'm getting hungry just editing this video. If you guys enjoyed this recipe, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more healthy recipe ideas in the future. Thank you for tuning in, and I'll see you next time.